Welcome to the city of Romeo and Juliet. I'm in Verona, Italy, and in one of my most favorite piazzas, Piazza Bra. Right at the heart of the historic center, lined with cafes and with the most picturesque view of the Verona Theater behind me. Welcome to Verona. Colomba di Oro is one of my favorite hotels to stay in Verona. It's perfectly located in the historic center right near Piazza Bra. Traditional Italian rooms, doesn't get better than that. If you're looking to do some shopping, Via Vizzini is the place to get your shop on. They have everything from specialty stores to luxury stores, and it's the perfect place to do some damage. Well, we are in my favorite store in Verona, Italy, Vizzini. And this place has been around for a very long time, 125 years to be exact. And I'm here with owner Marco, who's going to show us everything and anything you'd want to know about Vizzini. Marco, I love the store.
Thank you very much.
So tell me about the store. What can people find when they come here?
It's possible to find all the very special things for the house, not the popular brand. We look for the very special product that the other people don't have. But this is the Japan blade.
Wow. Wow.
It's incredible. Yeah.
Look at that. It's either this or Prada or Fendi. So $11.30 for, but just a set of 6.
Yeah, 666. All the people that buy the special blade, we sharpen more than the condition of the blade when we receive it from the company. This is very, very important.
Thank you for this, Marco. And this is by far the most famous attraction in all of Verona, Juliets Balcony. This tiny 14th century home is said to be the setting for William Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. There are a lot of tourists, but it does not disappoint. Another area full of buzz in Verona is the market, which you will find in Piazza delle Erbe. When you come here, you'll see t-shirts and souvenirs and food, which is why I'm here. The crema fritta is a local specialty here in the Veneto region. And what it is basically fried cream or fried custard rolled in sugar, and it's going to be absolutely delight, and you can only find it around Christmas time. Delicioso. Melt in your mouth.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, grazie.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Con il vassoio in mano.
And one delicious and fun place to come for lunch when you're here at the market is Osteria alla Torre, where the food is very tasty and the staff is even more flavorful. It's a great spot. It's magical. This is balsamic?
Yes, però it's the cream del balsamic. This aceto classic.
See?
Grand classic. This cream
Okay, wow.
is very good for cheese.
So it's thicker.
Yes, for cheese, for steak, big steak.
Excellent. Ah, that's thick. Okay, little salt. Okay, great. Wow, that's pretty thick. Very syrupy. It's delicious, like a reduced balsamic. Very creamy. The bread is fabulous. Wow. Beautiful. Oh wow, look at that. Boy, that's focaccia.
That is the base of the pizza with oil and rosemary.
Oh wow.
In Germany, called pizza brot. It's a pizza bread.
Really?
For me, it's good for it's a little warm. You have
Olive oil? Wow. Wow, grazie. Look at this focaccia pizza bread. This is the base of the pizza without all the sauce and schmooze on top. This looks awesome. The crust is crackly and falling apart crunchy, beautifully toasted here with the semolina flour dusted all over, and then of course some olive oil on top. Yum! We're going right in. And then of course another one of my faves, the affettati misti, which is the mixed meat platter with a little giardiniera on top. This is what you do when you come to the Verona Market here in Piazza delle Erbe. You sit, you people watch, you eat, you have a drink, and you just enjoy this city for what it is. Favorite bread so far. Incredible. This is so delicious. Look at the crust. Beautiful, semolina dusted. The top sprinkled with some fresh herbs, dusted with some olive oil. And this thing is crispy, crunchy goodness. If you thought this couldn't get any better, throw a slice of mortadella on it and you have perfection. The perfect combination of buttery deliciousness on top of a crispy, crunchy focaccia. I'm good. So two things that the Veneto region is famous for is Amarone wine and risotto. So put it together and you have risotto alla marrone, which is what I'm having for lunch today here at Osteria alla Torre. And it looks fabulous. The risotto is a beautiful purple color from the wine, from the Amarone, with some grated Parmesan cheese on top. And then of course, the perfectly cooked risotto. But make sure you put your order in for risotto early. There is no rushing this dish. It takes 50 minutes and it's worth every one of them. Woo. It's buttery, creamy risotto, flavored with the Amarone wine and the salty, bitey Parmesan cheese on top, piping hot. It's really delicious. And for a sweet ending to the perfect lunch, a little limoncello, and my favorite, tiramisu. And this is my kind of tiramisu. Why? Because it is loaded with the cream. And it looks awesome, dusted with cocoa powder on top. That cocoa powder gets you right away. The cream melts in your mouth, the sponge cake moist with a little bit of the alcohol there, the coffee liqueur, Kahlua. Awesome. Ah, the boss. Hi, buongiorno. I'm Mark Felice. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Excellent ristorante. Excellent. This is my second time here. Yeah, excellente.
Speciality Italian food.
Delicioso tiramisu, the risotto alla marrone.
Lasagna,
No, no lasagna, but affettati misti. Excellente.
Grazie.
Grazie. The oldest bridge in Verona is Ponte Pietra. which was built by the Romans in 100 BC. It crosses the Adige River and is a landmark you absolutely have to check out when you come to Verona.